Good morning, class 7 students. We are doing chapter number 4 of geography and it's your part 3. In this video we are going to read about the weather and climate. Student, have you thought about that the weather and climate, how they are changing day by day? In this we are going to read this. Is it going to rain today? Will it be a bright and sunny today? How many times we have heard this from anxious cricketers, fans, and speculating the fate of one day matches. If we imagine our body to be radio, our body to be a radio, and the mind its speaker, weather is something that fiddles within its control core. Weather in this are to our day-to-day condition of the atmosphere. The hot or humid weather may make it irritable. A pleasant breezy weather may make one cheerful and even plans of an outing. Students, in this you have always thought today also, as you know that you are observing any day any hour the weather has been changing. In morning the weather will be different, in the afternoon there will be some winds are there, and then in the evening it's different, it might be raining. Weather plays a very important role in our life, in our day-to-day atmosphere. When it is humid, we want to stay at home only. It make us irritable. When it is breezy or it's raining, we can plan outside for outing also. The weather change our moods. As you know, can change our moods very pleasantly. If the weather is pleasant, our mood will also be pleasant. But if it is irritably hot, then we can get irritated also. As weather can be changed dramatically from day to day. However, the average weather condition of place for a longer time to time presence is the climate. Students, when the average weather condition of a place for a longer period of time, when the weather condition is same for an average period for a long time, like this time, if we talk about like in the month of May, averagely there is a hot. So we considered May climate as a hot climate, or that is considered as climate of place. Now do you understand why we have daily weather forecast? That's why every day you have observed in the news also, we are having the daily weather forecast, and it is different in different day, not that same as every day. It's a summer season, you know that, but the weather conditions are changing. Sometimes it's bright sunny day, sometimes it's have a clouds also. So that's why we have a day-to-day weather forecast also, because our weather keep on changing from day to day and hour to hour. And climate is what? Climate is a weather condition for a longer time that make it a climate. Thank you, class.